This video will show you how you can review a case that someone has shared with you in Mimix Viewer. When someone shares a case with you, you will receive an email. By clicking on the link provided in this email, you will be directed to the Mimix Viewer platform. After logging in, you can access the file which was shared with you. Here you are able to see different information such as the case title and the creation date. You can open the case by clicking on Open in 3D Viewer. After the case opens in the viewer, you will be able to see the three 2D viewports, the coronal, axial, and sagittal viewport, and also the 3D viewport. On the right side of the page, you can set up default views for your case or view the default views which have already been created. By clicking on each of these default views, you will be directed to a different viewing angle. You can turn the 3D model around with right mouse click and dragging the mouse. You can zoom in and out with a scrolling wheel on your mouse, and you can move the model around by pressing on your scrolling wheel and dragging the mouse. Now we are going to go through some of the default views that we have created here. This is the thrombus view, which compares the blood pool with the thrombus. The second default view that we have here is the cross-sectional view. As you can see, I am turning the model around with right-clicking and dragging. You can also go through the clipping of the model. You also have the possibility to create different measurements and view it as a default view, as you can see here. The next example for the default view that we have here is an annotation. You also have the possibility to create comments on the case or receive comments from the other users. The next default view that we have is the thrombus cross-section, where you can view the 2D data that you have on the 3D case, which was shared with you. And the last default view that we have is the calcium view, where you also have the possibility to view your 2D data on the 3D model that was shared with you. On the bottom right side of the page, you have the possibility to make your 3D model invisible or visible again, and you also can play around with the transparency of your model. You also have the possibility to view the different 2D views on the 3D model. Thank you for watching this video. Please check out our other videos for further information about Mimix Viewer platform.